Well, believe it or not, we are already more than halfway through the summer. Back to school supplies are on store shelves already, and the countdown is on until it's back to the books.
But there's still plenty of time to soak up the sun. So in tonight's In Search Of, we're sending News Channel 8's Jennifer Livingston and photographer Travis Cobbs around town to find the sights and sounds of summer.
Hey, there's a swing I can go high on.
It makes me tired just watching him. We happened to run into the director of La Crosse's Park and Rec Department, Steve Caroline, while we were out and about.
And he says the cooler weather this summer is both good and bad news for them. It's great for the kids at the nature day camps, but not so great for attendance at the pools and beaches. But, you know, it just goes to show that there's so much to do outdoors around this area, whether it's cool or hot.
If you're not in the mood to jump in the pool, just head to the park.
Yeah, exactly.